Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a simple unboxing of this Starfrit pressure cooker that I got from Canadian Tire. It was on sale for only like $40, so I'm just going to show you what it's like and what's inside. So I guess this is just the box. I opened it up a little bit before in advance, but not everything. So here it is inside. Take these things out. This is the pressure cooker inside, comes wrapped up. I'm gonna lift it out of the box. There are a lot of components, and just put it down here, I guess. Move the box out of the way a little. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, trying to hold the phone in one hand and video in another. There is a sticker that says, I guess, for the vent valve that you have to remove before using. And then this is the pressure cooker itself. There's a lot of preset cooking functions. And then the lid is closed this way, so I guess opens this way. Lift it out. I'm just gonna set this is what the lid looks like inside. I'm gonna set it out on the side. So the inside comes with the manuals, products for other things. This is the user manual. Then I guess comes with a steaming tray, a rice cooker spoon, and then the plug itself. I guess it's a removable magnetic plug. It's 3-prong with a grounded outlet. And then this is what the pot looks like. This is the removable pot. There's more paper inside. And it says remove before use. So here you go. This is the Starfrit not instant pot, sorry. Starfrit pressure cooker unboxing for you.